Hello, children. This is Miss Vilma D'Souza, your social science teacher, wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. And also, as Children Day passed on 14th November, birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, also wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. May God bless you all with good health and lots of joy throughout the year. So let's start with our second semester portion. We will begin with chapter 1, Socio-Religious Reform. In the 19th century, Indian society was infested, that means overrun by various social evils. Britishers called this period as Black Period of Indian society. People used to follow customs like superstition, that is Andhavishwas, illiteracy, that is lack of education, one who cannot read and write, ignorance, that is to have lack of information, knowledge, what we say Gyan Vagarno, caste system, that is ill treating with lower caste people, and many evil social customs like sati system, that is in olden time if husband died, wife used to be buried with her husband's funeral pyre. Pyre in Hindi means chita. Women hardly had any respect in society. There was denial of widow remarriage, doodh pitis, which means when baby girl was born, she was immediately killed by dipping in container full of milk. But somewhere we should thank Western education. It was like a new awakening which helped in removing many odd and evil practice of society. Lots of efforts were made to remove the evil custom from the society. Many social and religious reforms took place. Now it is very important for you to know what is reform and reformer before we proceed. Reform means to change a system, the law, in order to make it better. And a person who tries to bring these changes in society and make it better is known as reformer. That is Samaj Sudharak. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was first among such reformer. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, born to a Brahmin family, belonged to Radhanagar village in Bengal. He got married in childhood. He was not able to take the incident of his brother's wife becoming sati. He was totally shocked. Later he initiated many reforms against all evil custom prevailing in society. He also started newspaper Samvat Kaumudi in Bengali and Mirat ul Akbar in Persian, and to serve people and society he found Brahmo Samaj. With the help of British government, he brought changes like independence of speech, freedom of speech, women's right, personal liberty, judiciary independent from executive, etc. History will always remember Lord William Bentinck, British Governor General of Bengal, who played very important role by passing a law to abolish sati system. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, after his great service to society through Brahmo Samaj, he died in Bristol, that is in England, in year 1833. Brahmo Samaj tried to abolish the rigid and superstitious religious belief prevailing during 19th century. So children, we wrap up here and discuss about more reformer in next part. Till then, goodbye, take care.